Hello dear students, in today's demonstration I am going to show you how to prepare Vietnamese Som Tam salad. Let's check the ingredients for that. For preparing Vietnamese Som Tam salad, we need the following ingredients. Finely shredded cabbage, fresh coriander leaves, juliennes of raw mango, julienne of papaya, sliced onion, basil chiffonade, juliennes of capsicum, chilies finely chopped, sesame seeds, fine chopped ginger, juliennes of carrot, black pepper, Vietnamese chili paste and fish sauce for seasoning. Now let's get started with the preparation of Som Tam salad. Som Tam is one of the most popular salad in Vietnam and is one of the most common street food available in the country of Vietnam. It's a very easy to prepare, you just need fresh ingredients and simple mixing technique to achieve the right texture for Som Tam. To begin with, juliennes of papaya. Traditionally they use raw papaya. But the taste is a little bit bitter and some people don't like it, so this is just one improvisation. I'll be using fresh papaya here, but you can try this out with raw papaya also. Okay. Raw mango, finely shredded cabbage, juliennes of capsicum, julienne of carrots, in the mixture, now we're gonna add half spoon of Vietnamese chili paste, jaggery in a diluted form, fine chiffonades of basil, one teaspoon of fine chopped ginger, one teaspoon of fine chopped green chilies or red chilies. We are putting 1 spoon of red chilies, but depending on the heat you can adjust the chili quantity in the salad. Two teaspoons of fish sauce as seasoning. And juice of 1 lemon. Now gently mix it very well with a spoon, with a wooden spoon or a tongs. Mix it gently, don't bruise it, otherwise it won't look fresh and it will collapse. As I said earlier, in Vietnamese cuisine, fish sauce is one of the main seasoning even for salads. So you can replace fish sauce with salt, but traditionally they use fish sauce as one of the main source of seasoning. So once it's ready, so now all the ingredients are being mixed together. Now we're gonna plate the dish. For plating, Place the salad in a bowl or in a plate. These are normally prepared fresh as per the order to keep the taste and the freshness of the salad intact. Garnish it with few streaks of fresh coriander leaves and some sesame seeds. And some red chilies for garnishing. So here it is, traditional Vietnamese Som Tam salad. Thank you very much. See you in the next presentation.